Super cold and lots of snow for Willy's last driving lesson before his on-road test. We showed him how to get unstuck out of a bit of snow by rocking the vehicle. As well, we worked on parallel parking and three-point turns. Stick around. We'll be right back with that information. Yeah, we were doing wall work in jiu-jitsu today. That's why I got a big mark on my face. We'll go right here. Left of this next street here. It's just before that crosswalk sign. Right there where that car's coming out. You got a big bushy beard. We'll parallel park off the truck right here. So line up the back ends. Pick your 45. So it should be kind of like at the edge of the mirror, outside that A pillar there. Yeah, so right, just in a little bit from there.
Snow pile right there.
Okay. So you turn until, sit up straight and until you're facing it. Now straighten your wheel out. No, keep your wheel straight. There you go. Keep backing up. Keep backing up. Now right there, now turn it in. Yeah, there's a lot of snow here. Keep going. Right there.
Can we go up a little bit?
Just a little bit. Just a smidge. Perfect. Perfect. See, the other thing, because there's so much snow, is the other reason you take your driver's test in the wintertime, because they might just not even get you to parallel park.
Oh, yeah. That makes sense.
That's why I encourage people to, because a lot of people will postpone their test in the wintertime, and I just say, listen, take your test, because the driving examiners aren't overworked. They're all chill. They're like, yeah, whatever. And then you get snow like this, and they're just like, yeah, don't even bother parallel parking. Just drive around. Yeah, you're fine.
Yeah. Okay, that's good to know. Thank you.
No, we got to back up first. You always got to back away from the vehicle in front of you. Yeah, it's going to move around on you. Okay, no, go forward. You're going to have to try and rock it. Just a little bit. And then go forward a little bit. Off the throttle. No, don't spin the tires. Rock the car. You got to get a little bit of momentum.
In reverse?
Reverse will work too.
Just so I don't go into his butt.
No. Rock the fuel pedal. You got to get the car moving. There you go. See how it kind of moves a little bit? That's what you want to do. Try it forward now. Try it reverse. See how it's moving?
Yeah.
You just got to work it out now. No, forward. Try and get your wheels straight. I don't think your wheels are straight. There. Is the parking brake on by any chance? I think you got it.
Shit, the parking brake on.
That'll help.
Yeah.
No. You gotta rock it a little bit because you gotta move it. It won't turn the wheels. There you go. See how it's moving? No. So you need to get it to the top, let it roll back. Roll like this. You gotta rock the car. There you go. See, feel it? Let it go. Rock. Let it go, rock. There you go. Now you got it. See how it moved out of there?
Yeah.
That's what you got to do when you get stuck. You got to rock it. It works. It's a lot easier in a manual.
Oh wow, I've never heard of that. I would have gotten out and put a lot more effort pushing. Do it
Now,
space?
I would get a little bit more, and then you can get a run at it. There you go. Now you're good. And get some throttle. Get a bit of momentum. There you go.
Me and my mom were at the beach and had 3 guys helping push sugar out the brake on.
This video is made possible by the course package, Pass Your Driver's Test First Time, because we know that your driver's test is the most stressful day of your life, and without some form of driver training, your chances of passing are less than 50%. As a bonus, we'll include both the defensive and winter driving smart courses. These will make you a safer, smarter driver and reduce your chances of being involved in an accident. Click down in the description there and get full details.
Yeah, and you're stuck in the snow there. I was thinking, this is a lot harder than it should be. You gotta remember that parking brake. So I just get in the habit of putting the parking brake on and practicing that, because you're gonna have to put it on for your driver's test, right? Or you'll lose a few points, and you don't want to lose like 15 or 20 points because you forgot to put the parking brake on 2 or 3 times. And like I said to you before, you've only got to hold it together for 20 minutes, right? It's only a 20-minute drive. And we'll go right again. Actually, let's go straight through. So we'll go straight through. We'll parallel park off that pickup truck. So when you're so everything was perfect. When you're in behind the other vehicle, you just want to be able to just see the top of the bumper. So you want to pull ahead just like a little bit. But I mean, other than that, it's perfect, right? And depending on the discretion of the examiner, you may not even lose points for that. But you do want to be a little bit closer. But I mean, out of 9 out of 8, you would have got 8.5 out of 10 for that. Okay? That's just the last little detail. Just pull up just so you can just see the top of the bumper. That way because you want to be about 3 feet just so that, all the cars can get in right there. Right there. Perfect. Parking brake on into park. Just say, I'm done. And then they'll say proceed. That one. Now, what do you do when you change directions of the vehicle?
This way.
What else?
Signal? Oh, shit.
Which way is your vehicle going?
Oh, it's going this way.
Yeah, there you go. Nice. Now, make sure you just kind of sneak around there in case there's cars coming, right, that you missed, because your visions, didn't really have, we can stay in this lane because we're going to take our left at the green light up there. Because you're not, your vision, your line of sight is blocked there with that line of cars there. So you kind of want to be ready when you're committing to the turn that, you know, maybe I need to stop.
Kind of an escape route.
Yeah, because you don't want to get, well, I don't want to get you to get T-boned, right? Hang on there one sec. The thought of failing your driver's test is what keeps you up at night right now. Click the link over here. Check out the Smarter Driver course package that guarantees that you will pass your driver's test first time. Click the link and check that out. And have a great day. All the best.